Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about fact families. A fact family is a number sentence or three number sentences, sorry, with three different numbers. Um so if we have like the example I'm gonna give is 1, 2, 3. If you have those three numbers, we can write four number sentences using these three numbers. So the first number sentence would be 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then we write the opposite, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So on this, whenever you add, because we have the plus sign, whenever we add, we the biggest number comes last. So whenever you add, the biggest number comes last. And then when we subtract, the biggest number always comes first. So 3 and 3 minus. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So if you see, every number sentence has these same three numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that is true. It is the fact family. And then we have 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. So let's do another one. So I'm going to do 2, 3, and 5. So if we have the fact family 2, 3, and 5, those are our numbers in the fact family. So let's do the addition or adding. Let's make the numbers bigger. So when we know we're adding, so when we do see the plus sign in fact families, when we see plus sign in fact families, we know the biggest number comes last. So for the biggest number to come last, the biggest number between 2, 3, and 5 is 5. So we know 5 comes last. And then when we subtract, the 5 comes first. So the first one we have 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then we have 3 plus 2 equals 5, which we know that is both true. And then we have 5 minus 3 equals, that's my equal sign there, equals 2, and then 5 minus 2 equals 3. And that is the fact family for 5, 3, and 2. So we have 2, 3, 5. Let's see, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So let's do the fact family of 2, 4, 6. The fact family for 2, 4, and 6. So we know that the biggest number is 6. So the first thing we can do is write equal sign 6. Equal sign 6. 6 minus 6 minus. Because when we add, let's put a plus sign here so we don't forget. When we add two numbers, so 2 plus 4 equals 6. The biggest number, so in this case, 6 is the biggest number. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 is the biggest number. When we add, it comes last. And then we can do 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 is the biggest number. It comes last when we add. When we subtract, the biggest number goes first. So we have 6 minus 4 equal 2. And we know that because these are the only three numbers we will use. These are the only three numbers we will use. We don't use any other numbers. We can't use any other numbers because when we talk about fact families, these are the only numbers we use. And then, so we have 6 minus 4 equals 2, and that's a crazy 4. And then let's go 6 minus 2 equals 4. So our fact family, these are our number sentences for this fact family. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now, I have this fun little thing right here, this fun little tool to help me remember. It's my fact family triangle. And you can do this in a fact family triangle, and we just go around the circle of the fact family. And my blue no longer works because we're on a blue surface. So our numbers, let's go big, 7, 3, and 10. And I always like to put the biggest number up in the yellow spot or up at the point. So let's go around the circle. Let's start at 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So since we know 10 is the biggest number, when we add, we want to end up there. And then we could do 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then when we subtract, we know we have to start with the biggest number. So we subtract, we start with the biggest number. We subtract, we start with the biggest number. So we have 10 minus, let's go this way, 3 equals 7. And then we're subtracting again, so we have 10. We have to go around the triangle a different way. Minus 7, I forgot to write, 10 minus 7 equals 3. So here is our fact family for the numbers 3, 7, and 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. And 10 minus 7 equals 3. That is the fact family for those numbers. Let's do another one. Erasing. Let's see if you could do this one on your own. And we're going to do here's our numbers. And I wrote them on the triangle. So see if you could do these on your own. We have 3, 4, and 7. And I put 7 in the yellow spot because 7 is the biggest number. So knowing 7 is the biggest number, we have things we know we could do. So I'm going to give you a moment to do that. Make sure you write all 4 number sentences. Remember, when we add, the biggest number comes last. So we could just go ahead and put 7 there. And we want to end at the 7 when we add. So what could we do? We can start with 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then we have to go the opposite way around. We have 4 plus 3. It's a bad 4. Plus 3 equals 7. When we subtract, the biggest number comes first. We subtract, the biggest number comes first. So we go 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And that is true. Because if we have 7 fingers, put some stuff down, I'll get 7 fingers out. 7 fingers, take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 3 fingers left. And then we could do the next one. 7 minus 3 equals 4. We're going to do one more. I'm going to see if I can trick you, because there's sometimes it's easier when we have a double number. When we have a double number, we don't have to write all 4 number sentences. We only have to write 2. And here's why. Let's write this together. So we have a double number. So we can go, doesn't matter which way we start because we have double numbers. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. And if we wrote it again, it'd be the same exact thing. So because when you have a double number, you don't have to do the extra work. You can just write 1. And then we do 4. Since the biggest number is 4, minus 2 equals 2. And then you're going around, so you do that again. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So because you have a double number, you don't need 2 of the sentences. So I don't need that one. I should use my cloth to erase that, not my finger. Always use a rag, not your fingers. 4. So we just have these 2 number sentences. Let's see if I can get this one out. Because it's the same thing twice. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Number sentence for doubles. And this is number sentences. If you need to go back and watch this again, you can. This will help you with the fact family sheet in the binder, and also 3.8.